Let's get started with Clever CSV's Excel integration. First, go to Clever CSV app. Here, I have an example Excel file ready to upload. This file contains columns with structured data. We'll use the prompt column to guide AI responses. You can add any column, apply formulas, and customize prompts to get even better AI-generated results. Now let's upload this file to Clever CSV. Select your Excel file and click Upload File. Now that we've loaded our data into Clever CSV, it's time to select which columns we want to send to AI. Only the selected columns will be processed by AI, while the rest of the data remains unchanged. You can choose all columns or pick them individually, depending on your needs. Once you've made your selections, click the Process button to generate AI-powered results. Processing time may vary depending on file size, AI server response, and other factors. Now that the process is complete, you can download your file with AI-enhanced data. Here's the final file. The selected columns now contain AI-generated responses, ready for use. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've enhanced your data using AI and seamlessly integrated it with Excel. Try it now on Clever CSV.